morning to one and all. Today we will discuss about atomic structure. Atom is the smallest particle of matter. There are three subatomic particles. First one is electron, proton, neutron. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. The charge of electron is negative. The charge of electron value minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. The SI unit of charge is coulomb. Mass of electron is 9.0 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. The charge of proton is positive. The mass of proton 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. The charge of proton plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. The charge of neutron is 0. Mass of neutron 1.0087 AMU. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. 1 AMU equals 931.5 mega electron volt. 1 mega electron volt equals 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 12 J. J means joules. Bohr model of the atom. The central part of an atom is called nucleus. The charge of nucleus is positive. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Path-like structure is called orbit or shell. These are represented by K, L, M, N and so on. K cell has less energy, N cell has more energy. Electrons are jumped from high energy state to low energy state. E2 minus E1 is equal HNU formation. Here E2 is equal high energy state, E1 is equal low energy state. H is called Planck's constant, mu is called frequency. Planck's constant value 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Nu equal frequency. The number of vibrations or oscillations per second is called frequency. Next, angular momentum mvr is equal nh by 2 pi. Here m is equal mass of electron, v is equal velocity of electron, r is equal radius of electron, n is equal the number of electrons, h is equal Planck's constant. In this experiment, Niels Bohr got the Nobel Prize in the year 1920. Quantum numbers. Each electron in an atom is described by set of three numbers n, l, m. These are called quantum numbers. Mainly four quantum numbers. First one is principal quantum number. It was discovered by Niels Bohr. It is denoted by the letter small n. N values are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It is mainly explains about shape and size. It is mainly explains about size and energy of the main cell. The maximum number of electrons in principal quantum number 2n square. Cell n values k 1, l 2, m 3, n 4. Next one is principal quantum number. It was discovered by Sommerfeld. It is denoted by the letter small l. L values are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It is mainly explains about shape of the orbital. Principal quantum number small l is equal n minus 1. Subcell L values. Subcells S, P, 1, 2, 3. This is the information about azimuthal quantum number. Next one is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number, it was discovered by Landé. It is denoted by the letter small m. M values are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It is mainly explains about shape, size and orientation. L values, subcell, maximum number of degenerated orbitals. L values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Subcells S, T, D, F, G. Maximum number of these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the information about magnetic quantum number. Formula m is equals to L plus 1. Next one is spin quantum number. It was discovered by Gaudsmith and Uhlenbeck. It is denoted by the letter S. Spin quantum number has mainly two values. One is plus of, another one is minus of. Plus of indicates clockwise direction, minus of indicates anti-clockwise direction.